Welcome to all. This is the third episode for the chapter 3-dimensional geometry for +2 second year science. In today's episode, we will discuss projection of a line segment on a line. Suppose you have to ask what is the projection of any point P having the coordinate x1, y1, z1 on the line L. Here is a line, suppose, and this is named by L. So you have to ask what is the projection of this point P on the line L. तुम्हार आंसर कौन हो? That means a line उपरे गोटे point रो projection देखो गोटे point हबो. Point रो गोटे छाईटे कौन हबो? Point हबो. गोटे line segment नेले line segment रो projection गोटे line segment हबो. But here you have to ask what is the projection of the point P having the coordinate x1, y1, z1 on the line L. ताले तुम्हार आंसर कौन हबो? So you have to drop one perpendicular from the point P on the line L. Suppose this one named by PM. So and this one is perpendicular. So M is the projection. M is the projection of the point P on the line L. If you have to ask what is the projection of the line segment PQ. Here is a line segment, suppose PQ. Q having the coordinate x2, y2, z2. So you have to also drop one perpendicular from the point Q on the line L. Suppose that is named by N. So the projection of PQ, that is the line segment PQ, the projection of the line segment PQ on the line L is nothing but the MN. Okay. So now you have to ask what is the projection of PQ on the line L whose DCS is given. Suppose the DCS of the line L given, that is L, M and N, and the coordinates of the line segment, that is P having the coordinate x1, y1, z1 and Q having the coordinate x2, y2, z2. You have to ask the projection of PQ on the line L. Geometrically you can say the projection of the line segment PQ on the line L is Mn. But now you have to evaluate the value of Mn, that is the line segment Mn. How could you find this one? Now we will draw the perpendicular from this to this part to this part. If you will join and perpendicular, drop one perpendicular. Then this one is a right angle triangle. You see this one is a right angle triangle. All these are right angle. That means this line is parallel to this line, isn't it? So if you extend this one, this angle should be, if you extend this one, here you see if this angle is inclination of this line with the x-axis and this one is x-axis suppose and this one is theta, then this angle should be equal to this angle. Why? Since corresponding angle edita line parallel hele eta transversal, this line is transversal, so therefore this angle is equal to this angle. Corresponding angle nahi paribo nochet ko triangle PQR, this triangle and XQN, two triangles are similar, so this angle is equal to this angle. So now cos theta, what about cos theta? Cos theta is equal to how much? That is B by H. Now PR by PQ. PR by PQ. Now PQ cos theta is equal to PR. Cos theta is equal to PR. This is the projection. PR is equal to again Mn. So PQ cos theta you have to find. Our aim to find what is the value of PQ cos theta. Okay. So how could you find PQ cos theta? DRS of PQ. Now DRS of PQ is equal to how much? That is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So this is the direction ratio of PQ, line segment PQ. Then DCS is equal to how much? DCS of PQ is equal to, if this one is DRS and symbolically denoted by A, B, C, then all of you know that if DRS are known to us, then how could we find the DCS of the line? That is A by A square plus B square plus C square root over B by A square plus B square plus C square root over and C by A square plus B square plus C square root over. This one is A. So x2 minus x1 by A square plus B square plus C square root over means x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square root over. So this is nothing but the PQ. That is the distance between PQ. So we can write here PQ. Now this one is y2 minus y1 by PQ. And this is nothing but the z2 minus z1 by PQ. And these are called the DCS of PQ. Now we have to find cos theta. That is, if theta be the angle between, you can write here, if theta be the angle between PQ and the line L, then cos theta is equal to how much? Then cos theta is equal to, all of you know that, L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Now the DCS of first line is L1 M1 N1. So L1 M1 N1 are x2 minus x1 by PQ, this is L1, into L2 is L, plus M1 is y2 minus y1 by PQ into M, plus z2 minus z1 by PQ into N. So if you will take here PQ cos theta is equal to how much? That is x2 minus x1 into L plus y2 minus y1 into M plus z2 minus z1 whole into N. Modulus of this. Why modulus should be taken? This is the PQ cos theta. PQ cos theta means projection of PQ on the line L. So from this we conclude that this one is the projection. This part is the projection of the line segment on the, hence the length of the projection of PQ line segment joining P having the coordinate x1, y1, z1 and Q having the coordinate x2, y2, z2 on a line L, with the DCS, that is direction cosines LMN is given by L whole into x2 minus x1 plus M whole into y2 minus y1 plus N whole into z2 minus z1, modulus of that. So this is the projection of the line segment. So now I will take the problem number 5, which are involved with the total projection of exercise 13A. You see, read the question number 5. Number 4 on the direction ratio and direction cosine supere already previous episode karaichi. जो मन भी न देखिछ सेटा previous episode देखिले जानि परिबो. Now we'll start from the number 5, bit A. Now we read the question. So if A, B, C, D are the points 6, 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, minus 1, 3, 5, minus 3. That means coordinate of A point, B point, C point, D point are given. So now we have to ask, find the projection of AB line segment on CD line. Okay. Suppose here is a line segment AB. That is A having the coordinate given 6, 3, 2 and B having the coordinate 3, 5, 7. and another line is there on which this one is the CD line on which the projection drop from the AB line. So here the projection should be likewise C having the coordinate given, that is C having the coordinate 2 3 minus 1 and D having the coordinate 3 5 minus 3. You have to ask what is the projection of AB on the line CD. These are x1, this one x1, y1, z1 and this one is x2, y2, z2. You have to find L, M, N of this line, of the line CD. एलिमेंट केन भारियो तुम जान लो एटा DRS बार कर दो दीटा पॉइंट देथिले DRS बार कर परियो x2 x1 y2 y1 z2 z1 DRS बार जियो DRS बार कर साला परे LMN केन पाइबो a by a square plus b square plus c square root over b by a square plus b square plus c square root over c by a square plus b square plus c square root over, that is L M N find कर दो. Now start the solution. First we'll write the given condition. Given a point having the coordinates 6 3 2, B point having the coordinate 3 5 7, C point having the coordinate 2 3 minus 1 and D point having the coordinate 3 5 minus 3. Now we'll find the DCS of CD. DCS of CD बाहर करिया गले DRS of CD बाहर कर दबा DRS of CD, that is x2 x1 3 minus 2 5 minus 3 z2 z1, that is minus 3 minus 1 plus 1. This is nothing but the 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2 minus 2. So this is the DRS of CD. Now we have to find DCS, that is nothing but the 1 by a square plus b square plus c square root over, isn't it, minus 2 square root over. These are the DCS. B by 2 by likewise 1 square 2 square plus minus 2 square root over and C by a square plus b square plus c square root over. So DCS of CD, this one is nothing but the L M N. So LMN pailu, DRS pailu, DCS pailu. Now we have to find the projection of AB on CD. That is L whole into x2 minus x1 plus M whole into y2 minus y1 plus N whole into z2 minus z1 modulus, isn't it? So that is nothing but the L M N just we have found 1 by 3 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So 1 by 3 into x2 minus x1 माने एटा AB रो नंबर 6 3 2 3 5 7 3 5 7 हला x2 y2 z2 6 3 2 हला x1 y1 z1. A रो कोऑर्डिनेट जोटा अछि सेटा x1 y1 z1 एंड B रो कोऑर्डिनेट जोटा अछि सेटा x2 y2 z2. तमाने x2 minus x1 माने 3 minus 6 5 minus 3 7 minus 2 3 minus 6 plus M also 2 by 3 whole into 5 minus 3 plus minus 2 by 3 whole into 7 minus 2 modulus of this. So that is nothing but the 1 by 3 into 3 minus 6 is minus 3, 2 by 3 into 5 minus 3 is 2, that is minus 2 by 3 into 7 minus 2 is 5 modulus of this. So 3 3 cancel, that is minus 1 plus 4 by 3 minus 10 by 3. So this is nothing but the taking LCM, that is 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus 10 whole divided by 3, that is minus 13 plus 4 minus 9 by 3, that is nothing but the minus 3 रो mod, that is 3. Okay, this is the projection of AB. चल बुझी पालो समस्त आउथरे कहि दउस देखो ताले AB लाइन सेगमेंट रो प्रोजेक्शन पचारची लाइन CD उपरे तमने CD रो DCS बार करियो. CD रो DCS केन बार करियो दीटा पॉइंट देथिला आगो DRS बार कर दो. दिस वन इज द DRS ऑफ CD. ताले DRS जणा थिले DCS केन बारे a by a square plus b square plus c square and b by a square plus b square plus c square and c by a square plus b square plus c square. that is called DCS of the line CD LMN. So 1/3 2/3 minus 2/3 projection of AB on CD माने AB रो जो segment रो जो coordinate देइथिबो A रो coordinate B रो coordinate they are x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. So L whole into x2 minus x1 plus m whole into y2 minus y1 plus n whole into z2 minus z1 रो modulus नहीं कि पूरा बाहर कर दो जहाँ आंसर होला that is the projection of AB line segment on the line CD. Okay, now we'll take the bit 2 question number 5 bit B. Now we read the question number 5b. The projection of a line segment OP through the origin O on the coordinate axis are 6 2 3. Here projection given, projection of OP given 6 2 3. Find the length of the line segment OP and its direction cosines. तमन DCS बार करिया आउ लेंथ बार करिया देखिलो तले गोटे डायग्राम करछि जानि परिबो तमे. Suppose this one is the x-axis and y-axis. One line is going through the point origin. That means likewise. This one is O x-axis, y-axis, and this point let it is P. Okay. ताले OP रो projection देइछि कहाँ ऊपरे x-axis coordinate axis ऊपरे. Coordinate axis ऊपरे केते केते देइछि गोटे 6 गोटे 2 गोटे 3. तामने x axis ऊपरे OP रो प्रोजेक्शन 6 देइछि. सो P रो प्रोजेक्शन माने P ठारू परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करिया कहा पर्यंत x axis पर्यंत परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप कर. सो दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. लेटा गोटे राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल एई पार्टटा प्रोजेक्शन कहा रो OP रो प्रोजेक्शन. OP रो प्रोजेक्शन केते देइ देइछि क्वेश्चन रे 6. So this part is 6. If this one angle is alpha, this angle be alpha with the x axis. OP रो x axis से तो angle जदि alpha आला ताले cos alpha केते हबो रखो OX by OP. ठीक ना नहीं. So you write here solution. देखो बहुत simple अच्छी. Given the projection of the line segment OP on x axis, how much is equal to 6. On y axis how much, that is equal to 2, and on z axis is equal to how much, that is 3. Now if alpha beta gamma, if alpha beta and gamma are the angle between OP and the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis माने कौन, x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. Coordinate axis respectively. If this point named by M, then this one is OM. Okay, OM by OP. So here cos alpha you can write OM by OP. And this is nothing but the OM. OM is equal to 6 by OP. So OP cos alpha, that is OP cos alpha. OP cos alpha is equal to how much, that is 6. Likewise similarly you can write P cos beta is equal to kata habo, is equal to 2 y axis ऊपर जो projection टा, and OP cos gamma, OP cos gamma is equal to 3. So squaring OP square cos square alpha plus OP square cos square beta plus OP square cos square gamma is equal to how much, 6 row square plus 2 row square plus 3 row square. So OP square taking as common, OP square taking as common, we have left with cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. This is nothing but the 36 4 plus 9 which is equal to 49. And all of you know that this is L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Cos alpha is L, so cos square alpha is L square, cos beta is M, cos square beta is M square, and cos gamma is equal to n, cos square gamma is n. So from this we conclude that OP square is equal to 49. That implies OP भारी गला ताले OP हला 49 root over, that is equal to 7. यदि OP भारी गला ताले cos alpha DCS माने कौन, cos alpha cos beta cos gamma, ताले cos alpha कहते 6 by OP. The DCS of OP okay, is equal to kate 6 by OP, that is 6 by 7, and 2 by OP, that is 2 by 7, and 3 by OP, that is 3 by 7. So you can write the DCS, that is DCS of OP is equal to 6 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. So inside the less than greater than symbol. So DCS already we have found, DCS भी बाहरला, length of OP बाहरला, और DCS बाहरला. ओके केमती बाहरला ताकू शॉर्टकट रे कले भी हबो. शॉर्टकट रे कले कोन हबो एठु लिखि परिबो तुमे 6 by OP. If the projection given 6 2 3, then cos alpha is equal to 6 by OP, then OP cos alpha is equal to 6. Similarly OP cos beta is equal to 2 and OP cos gamma is equal to 3. एमती लिखि परिबो OP cos alpha is equal to 6, OP cos beta is equal to 2, OP cos gamma is equal to 3. ताले सब गुडा स्क्वायरिंग कर देलु. एटा cos alpha ना, OP cos alpha is equal to 6. ताले OP square cos square alpha केतला 6 square, OP square cos square beta केतला 2 square, OP square cos square gamma केतला 3 square. So 6 square, 2 square, 3 square add कर दबो. OP square common नहीं गलो, cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma. So L square plus M square plus N square केते गला 1. So एटा केतला 36 plus 4 plus 9, that is 49. 49 root over केते गला 7 है गला. So the DCS of OP is 6 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. Okay, बुझी पाइलो. So similarly now we read the question, that is the projection of a line segment on x axis, y axis and z axis respectively are 12, 4 and 3 given. Okay, now we have to ask find the length and direction cosines of the line segment. So here line segment is given. Okay, so now I will take any line segment on the axis. Suppose here is a line segment, this one is P and this one is Q. ताले प्रोजेक्शन ड्रॉप करिया कहिछि माने तुमे जानि छ प्रोजेक्शन माने कोन परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करिवो आ ऊपर x एक्सिस ऊपर ड्रॉप करियो y एक्सिस ऊपर ड्रॉप करियो गोटे एक्सिस ऊपर भलो से देखि दे y एक्सिस z एक्सिस आउ देखा दरकार नहीं गोटे एक्सिस पूरा बढ़िया से देखाई दियो दैट इज प्रोजेक्शन देखो प्रोजेक्शन मु कली दिस वन इज 90 डिग्री दिस वन इज 90 डिग्री सपोज दिस इज नेम्ड बाय AB. So PQ रो projection के हला AB on x axis. This is x axis origin and this one is y axis. So this one is given 12. बुझी पाइलो projection of PQ on x axis is 12. Suppose that you got a perpendicular drop करो from P point to this point, that is QB. Let this is named by R. Okay, this one is perpendicular. ए एंगल टा अल्फा हले तले x एक्सिस सहित इंक्लिनेशन कोन हबो. सो x एक्सिस सहित इंक्लिनेशन कोटा हबो देखो x एक्सिस सहित जोटा इंक्लिनेशन हबो सेटा ही से एंगल टा हबो, दैट इज अल्फा. ए एंगल इज इक्वल टू एंगल अल्फा ला माने x एक्सिस सहित तार एंगल टा अल्फा हबो. सो एंगल आल्सो अल्फा ता माने cos अल्फा DCS cos अल्फा cos बीटा cos gamma. So we will mention here first to write given the projection ta dei cheti. So projection of a line segment, that is you take PQ on the coordinate axis. On the coordinate axis mane kon on the x axis kete seita 12, on the y axis how much, that is 4, and on the z axis that is 3. Okay, so 12 4 3 दे देछि. Let alpha beta gamma, let alpha beta and gamma are the inclination. You can write inclination of the line segment PQ with the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x axis, y axis, z axis respectively. Then cos alpha केता होगा, cos alpha देखि दियो cos alpha at a 90 degree right angle triangle, cos alpha is equal to how much, B by H. This one is also 12, that is 12 by PQ, that is 12 by PQ, or that implies PQ cos alpha. PQ cos alpha is equal to 12. Similarly, we can write पूरा लिख दो similarly PQ cos beta is equal to कते 12 ले इटा 4 and PQ cos gamma is equal to कते 3. पूरा previous pattern PQ square cos square alpha plus PQ square cos square beta plus PQ square cos square gamma is equal to 12 square plus 4 square plus 3 square. Okay, taking PQ square as common, PQ square taking as common, so we have left it cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 12 square 144 plus 16 plus 9 PQ square it is 1. This one is L square plus M square plus 1 square, so this is nothing but the 169. So PQ is equal to 13. So DCS or direction cosines of PQ is equal to how much? That is cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. Okay, is equal to cos alpha la 12 by 13, cos beta la 4 by 13, cos gamma la 3 by 13. बुझी पाइलो ना देखी दो cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Cos alpha हमर कते 12 by PQ, cos beta कते cos beta 4 by PQ, cos gamma la 3 by PQ हला. So therefore DCS are 12 by 13, 4 by 13, 3 by 13 and the length is 169. Okay, so likewise projection problem करि परियो. Projection problem रे ताले कोन रहउची? Projection problem रे सब गुडा रहिबो कोन ताले PQ cos alpha जो लाइन सेगमेंट देथियो ता संगे रे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो जदी cos alpha, that is the projection. ताले PQ cos alpha होची projection on x axis, PQ cos beta होची projection on y axis and PQ cos gamma होची projection of PQ on z axis. ताले एटा देखो प्राय जगह रे कलो सेठी भी सेमती OP रो प्रोजेक्शन बाहर कलो. OP cos alpha होची जोटा प्रोजेक्शन OP रो x axis ऊपर y axis ऊपर z axis ऊपर कोऑर्डिनेट axis ऊपर प्रोजेक्शन देथिले PQ cos alpha is equal to that much, PQ cos beta, PQ cos gamma. तापर स्क्वायरिंग कर दो PQ square cos square alpha, PQ square cos square beta, PQ square cos square gamma कर देले एपटे स्क्वायर करके ऐड कर दबो. PQ square कॉमन नै जो cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma एठी लिख दबो since L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. A properties जानी छो DCS रो. So therefore PQ square into 1 is equal to 169. Then PQ find कर दलो, that is the length of जो line segment रो projection पकेतियो तार length बारी गला. Now DCS टा cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, that is LMN. So 12 by 13, 4 by 13, 3 by 13. Okay, so that's all for the today's session. In the next session we'll take number 6.